Imagine you're planning a trip to Japan. You've got your flights booked, your accommodation sorted, but there's one thing missing: the yen. How do you get your hands on Japanese currency without paying hefty exchange rates at the airport? That's where YouTrip comes in. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to add currency to your YouTrip account so you can make hassle-free transactions wherever your travels take you. Step 1. Sign up and verify. The first thing you need to do is download the YouTrip app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up for an account. Once you've verified your identity, you're ready to start adding currencies. Step 2. Choose your currencies. Tap on the Wallet tab at the bottom of the app. You'll see a list of currencies that YouTrip supports. Simply tap on the Add button next to the currency you want to add. Step 3. Fund your account. You can fund your YouTrip account in a few different ways. One option is to link your bank account directly to the app. This allows you to transfer funds instantly and securely. Another option is to use a credit or debit card. Simply enter your card details and choose the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with using a card. Step 4. Check your balance. Once you've funded your account, you can check your balance by tapping on the Wallet tab again. Your available balance will be displayed for each currency. Step 5. Start spending. Now that you have currency in your YouTrip account, you're ready to start spending. Simply use your YouTrip card or the in-app QR code scanner to make payments at merchants around the world. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you get the most out of YouTrip. Check exchange rates. YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, so make sure to check them before making a transaction. Take advantage of cashback. YouTrip often offers cashback rewards for using your card. Use the in-app currency converter. The YouTrip app has a built-in currency converter, which can be helpful when planning your budget. Enable notifications. Turn on notifications to stay updated on your transactions and any promotions or offers from YouTrip. Adding currency to your YouTrip account is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can enjoy hassle-free international payments and potentially save money on exchange fees. With YouTrip, you can travel the world with confidence, knowing that your finances are taken care of. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.